giving me. I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Sanibonani, ogama wandlu mntwana. Let's unbox some few things that I bought. Firstly, a diffuser layer that I bought in China. No, I bought it at Dragon City. I was in Joburg last week. I hope it smells good. It smells nice because my smell like a store it was in. But I love the bodlela. So yeah, I hope my pela I will get something that will smell nicer than this one. It was 100 rand. Yeah, it was 100 rand. Let's see inside. This is the bottle. It's very luxury. It looks like Ngati say at home. Yeah. And then here it is. Let's put it aside. And then I got this baby from Mr. Price online. It was 160. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And a pequeñana inside. There's something like this is Zara, but because Mina I'm a cheapskate, Mila. So yeah, this is cute with a dress, a white dress, or man, you can wear it, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But the thing is, I doesn't have a zip inside you, so you just wear concealer. You things and looks like this. It's such a cutie bag. Such a cutie bag. Is this one. Yo, I'm so excited, Ngalena, because it's my birthday gift that I bought myself. I have one of this big, a fake aircon, and I've been wanting this one. I've been wanting this one, and then when I get in the website, I got this color, and I was like, wow. I'm going for this one. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's a fan collection. Let's open. Sibone. Ngivulile already because bengakhoni the color. This is beautiful. So beautiful. Okay. Oh, guys, nasi utoyidla le color. Nasi utoyidla. Look at this. Look at this, baby. Oh my goodness. I have a tape baker, so this will help my tape baker because I use it as a mum bag. So uthola igcwele. So ngiyabona ukuthi iyastrugglisha uma iyodwa. So le it will help. Into isita nje kakhulu lenye. Yeah. So this you can take it out, this thing. We wash. We wash. Nothing. because it's banging simple. Already the beds are making noise. So it comes out. And then you can take this out and usane this thingy, and then wash this. And then my umela, you put it back again, and then even it comes with extra thingies, little fasala. Because it happens mawula hlile, so you can use these ones. It was retailing for 1.6 something. Yeah, it was retailing for 1.6 something, but it's a very durable bag, because even the one that I have is still in good condition, so I will give it to my mom, that one. Yeah, because usisi sekanumakoya. Yeah, we start somewhere. Hey, sorry, we start somewhere. I was eating a banana, so young boys. Let's tie it back. And lama handles mawapela mangaba moshega, you can also order them one water. Nale anything you can order yona yoda. Most of them I say good condition. So that's what you will look Nancy with this bag. And I think if you don't want this, take a lot. Naboshen, they do have that compartment long and pack your things from this one. So this is my precious baby. This is my precious baby. This, sorry, let me just move you. Ooh. Already it's matching with my dress. So yeah. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. We past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validated. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
Morning, Mawandla family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're good on your side. We still good this side. God is great. Today is a Friday morning. We are heading to Nelspruit again. I feel like every time when I come here, I talk about Nelspruit, but what can you say? It is part of our life now. But in Nelspruit kusekhaya, I grew up there. Ngelinye ilanga soxoxa about it, with how do I came about to be in Middelburg. Namhlanje, as we are taking my son to school, remember on our last vlog we went to finalize everything, so this weekend we are taking him there to ukumhambisa elo sesamhambisa esikoleni, but we decided to take a family vacation, which is gonna be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then we head back to Middelburg. We just wanna explore the Lowveld and create memories. Sihlale naye as Shia, which is a sad part but a exciting moment in our family. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy this vlog because I'm taking you along. We're going to explore together, good vibes and everything. Let us head to Momela.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump in. Valley and the fire, take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to
Guys,
running.
coming back on our family vacation. Say hi, Mama. We're at Alzmore and buying Kwai for Mama and KFC, but they're still not open. My brother went to buy 8 times. And here the animals.
Never been a product
Mama,
of a flawless
upstairs, not a cow.
environment. Never acted like I'm
What
higher
is that?
than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause
Cool,
I
but
need
there's
to
no
get
other
away.
animals. Wait, this room.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away.
Mama.
Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
Then there's another
Dear
one.
God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away.
Mama, look at this.
I need
Why does we have those things? Okay, let's go. And then there's a statue. outfit of the day. Outfit of the day.
Okay.
She good?
Wearing my t-shirt from Mr. Price.
Yeah.
Night tights.
Oh, not to come.
Socks.
And some turkeys next to it.
Sneakers.
Illuminati. Outfit of the day. Okay, Mama got your own for me. Okay, let me show you my outfit of the day. I got this from Mr. Price Sports. It's a 2-piece, and these shoes from Mr. Price Kids. And hair done by Sissy Boom. Hi guys, welcome back to my mommy's vlog. My name is Akita and I'm a grade 4 and 9 years old. And I'm new to this vlog, so I'm gonna be the one staying new to it. We are ordering. My mom got a coffee. Is this my coffee? We're ordering. I'm working myself. I don't know how much. I mean, I just press video.
Sanmana? Ukuthi amakhondela benwashila.
Feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? I'm still playing.
Kanjani mama? Siyaphila. Ayiseduri nanjalo guys.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only been like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Not this sound, doing what